Try to show the idea of reducing a regular size pattern to 1/2 scale for your KnitRadar. Now pretend you don't see my gigantic hands because I'm using regular printer paper for this. But imagine this is your garment pattern piece at full size. So this would be, in your case, 20 inches from here to here, 20 inches. That means this would be 10 inches. And what we want to do is reduce this half to 1/2 scale so that it will fit properly onto your KnitRadar piece of paper. And I don't know exactly what the width of those are, but to start the process, what you want to do is take all of your points, each point, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these points, and draw straight lines from each one of those points to the point down here at the bottom center. I'm going to pause for a second while I draw those lines, then I'll come back. Okay, so I've got a line drawn from each of these points to the bottom center of this pattern. Now you want to measure each of these lines and make a mark at the halfway point. Since we know that this is, in your case, this is 10 inches, halfway here would be 5 inches. And we make a mark there. And I'm going to mark the rest of these each at at halfway, and then I'll come back. Okay, so now I've measured so that I know where each of these lines is at the halfway point. And then I just connect each of those lines in the same shape as, the shape of the pattern. So I would just draw that by hand. Okay, so this small part in here, this is 1/2 scale of your pattern, and it's only 1/2 of the piece. This is 5 inches. So I'm going to cut this out, and then I'll put it on the piece of paper here that represents the KnitRadar sheet. So I have cut out this little piece that I drew. Here's how it fits into the full-size pattern. This is 1/2 scale of your pattern, and one side of it, 1/2 of that pattern. And here it is on the sheet that represents roughly the KnitRadar sheet. So you could either, tape it on or trace the outline and then feed it into your KnitRadar and you're ready to go.